Meanwhile, at the mobile bike shop. So we're fixing your bike. So I just put this one on here, and he actually bike got ran over here. So we got to fix this. We'll have to get another deal. So how you get ran over? You said your mom ran over your bike on an accident, huh? So we're gonna get that fixed. We out here. Oh, that's a car right there. She said his mama ran over his bike. So we fixing this old bike. Actually had to take a couple parts off of this one to actually fix this one. But then he'll be able to actually ride until he get some more equipment. So I think we got him back on the road.
Hey, you take that bike to my house. You take that to my house.
No, you got to. I did the work. So leave that one here. Go take that one over there real quick, and then come back, walk back over here, come get the one you gonna ride on. See how simple that is. Make sure you get your mama that paddle so she can get another paddle. She can get it from Walmart. So just fix this one for him so that way he can still get his hog on. Y'all be safe out there.